Caspio tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video I'm going to show you how you can use Caspio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Caspio, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Caspio, it is a powerful, low-code application platform that enables business users to create custom database-driven applications quickly and without writing code, in which the platform provides a comprehensive set of tools for building sophisticated multi-user applications, dashboards, and workflows. With Caspio, users can create a wide range of data pages, including submission, forms, reports, calendars, and many more, using simple point-and-click tools. And these data pages can be deployed to any website accessed by any number of users and view on any device. The platform also provides advanced process automation capabilities such as triggered actions and tasks, which allow users to define workflows based on specific events in a database. And now to start using this platform, you could also click the Stripe button on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page. And to create an account, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information. Just kindly check these boxes right here and click Sign Up Now button below, in which upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page, in which the next thing that you need to do is to activate your account from the email that has been sent to you by clicking this Activate Account button right here to your email inboxes. You will be able to be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to simply log in your account, putting your email and password that you just enter or fill out upon signing up on this Caspio. And after signing in, you will be able to be directed on this dashboard. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like of Caspio. And as you can see, you will be able to see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with your applications, data, directories, document templates, webhooks, and logs. And now let's start on applications. This option, it helps businesses to create custom database-driven applications quickly and efficiently, in which the platform provides intuitive point-and-click tools that guide users through the entire application development process, enabling them to create powerful multi-user applications, dashboards, and workflows within, even though they have no knowledge in coding. Now moving on, you will also navigate here the data option by simply clicking on it. This option will help users to manage and interact with their application's data effectively, in which this include robust editing capabilities, interactive reporting features, and customizable layout settings. You could see here the tables and also the views in here. So basically, this data option provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing and interacting with application data, from editing and reporting to customizing the layout and appearance of the application. Now moving on, under directories, by simply clicking on directories right here, it serves as a centralized identity management tool allowing users to manage their end users efficiently, in which a directory is an entity that can be created in Caspio to manage user data and utilize built-in access management features. And also users can activate, reset password, suspend, and unsuspend users as needed, as well as change their sign-in method between Caspio and external identity providers. Moving on, you could also navigate here on the left side panel this document templates by simply clicking on it. You will be able to see here that this option allows users to create a custom PDF documents populated with real-time data, in which this feature enables businesses to automate the process of generating documents, reducing the need for manual input and formatting. And to create a template, just click this Create Document Template button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it on this pop-up window, you can simply select a file to upload from your computer files. So basically, users can upload a fillable PDF file, which must meet specific requirements such as having at least one fillable field and other requirement. Now moving on to webhooks, by simply clicking on it, this option enables users to automate integrations between their Caspio applications and other external services, allowing for efficient real-time data synchronization and communication. And to start creating webhook, just click this Create Outgoing Webhook button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, on this right side panel, all you need to do is to simply fill out the information, including the name, description, outgoing URLs, and even regenerate a secret in here. Since webhooks are triggered by specific events such as record insertion, deletion, or update and send messages containing a JSON payload of data to a designated URL. Now moving on to logs, by simply clicking on it, this option provides a centralized platform for managing and monitoring various types of logs within an account, in which these logs include records of user activities such as successful or failed logins, password changes, and other events related to app access. So as you can see, we can navigate here or open app access, directories, email, payment, SMS, and even webhooks outgoing. So basically, this feature allows administrators to track and analyze user activities, ensuring that the system is secured and functioning correctly. Now moving on, you can also navigate on the top panel some of the options, including the search bar to search for a specific object or app key, then this account to access permission, account settings, plan and billing, or change plan, and even this import, export, or data import and export task, or even the payment processors in here. While this icon, you could also choose for assistance such as online help, get support, support pin, and many more. Well, for notifications option, from here it will show you all of the updates within the application that you need to know. While by clicking on your account on the top panel, it will show you that you can switch account. You could also refer and earn and even log out your account on this platform. Now moving on, if you also want to start creating an application, just go back on this left side panel and click this applications option right here. And upon clicking on it, just proceed by clicking create app button on the top right corner. And on this pop-up window, it will show you the two options in order to create an app, such as to start by importing data or start with blank app. But in those options, I'm going to choose to start with blank app. Then from here, just enter the app name. So let's say I'm going to enter here sample app. Then proceed by clicking the next button below here to proceed. And now from here, it will show you the list in here, which is the sample app. And you have the option in here to navigate, but just click this open button right here. Upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed under this overview. And as you can see below here, it will show you the number of tables created, data pages, views, and even users below here. And you could also import the data if you want to create a table for your application, since tables are the foundation of every application because all the data is stored in tables. And aside from that, it will show you on the right side panel the sample app version, the application ID, and the data has been created. And also it will show you the app parameters, and even the node and other details about this application. And you could also customize your application using on the left side panel, such as these data pages, tables, views, authentications, connections, styles, and many more. And let's say you already customize some other details, and the next thing that we need to do is simply create a table. And to do that, we can simply click this create table button or click on these three lines, and from here just click the data option in here. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that we need to do is to click this create table button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see under table design, all we need to do is to simply fill out, including the table name, the data type, and even the uniqueness and label of it. For the data type, as you can see here, we have here a variety of standard, special, and other choices that we could also select. But in those options, I'm going to choose this text and also navigate the trigger reduction and data sheets. However, to save the changes, in here, just click the save button on this page to proceed. After that, just click this finish button after entering the table name. So if we go back on this data right here, we will be able to see that the table has now been added or created. And that is just basically how easy to make a table, but you could also import data if you want to in here, in which the data in the table will be used in creating an application as its foundation. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Caspio. Thank you.